Uh-huh. No, sing the whole alphabet, Link.
H-I.
Now I
know my ABCs next time.
Your cement truck. Okay, can you sing the alphabet one more time? A, B, H. Sing it, Link. Yay! Linky, how old are you?
2.
Mm-hmm.
2.
Good. Can you look at me? Mm-hmm. Look at Dada. There's Dada. Are you doing your puzzle?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O, P, Q, H, W, X, Y, Z. Pick it up.
All right, Linky. Today is May 2nd. Baby Ian's in bed. He's 3 weeks old. And Lincoln's 2 years old. Bless you. Bye-bye.